After we click display, we can go to the 2D camera view, which can show the views from the different cameras. When we right click, we can show the IP of each camera like the picture shown. When you double click each camera, you can only see the view from that camera. You can right click and choose show the grayscale. You can see the general view, which can help you to adjust. The first way to adjust is to turning the tripod head, which is a three-way gimbal. We can also put some reflective marker at the edge of the capture space to help positioning the camera angle. We can put the L-square frame in the center of the capture area to assist adjustments. If we want to cap the object like a drone or a human body, all the camera's views need to be higher, which means the L frame needs to be at the bottom in the view of each camera. Otherwise, if we want to cap some small object only moving on the ground, we can lower the camera view and let the L frame in the middle of it. There are two launch rings on the camera. The one at the back is the aperture ring, which is adjust the brightness and the darkness of the view. The other one is focus ring to see if the view is clear or not. Usually, we brighten the aperture ring to check the clearness, and then darken it until we can only see the markers in the view. The mouse wheel is to zoom in and zoom out the camera view to see if the green circle is just about the size of the marker. When we're using them in the first time, all the cameras needs to be adjusted one by one. If there has any problems cannot be solved, please contact our engineers for technical support.